Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to add a location in your Facebook page. So here you have to go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are on the Facebook page, not your normal Facebook account. Okay, how you can check this? You have to click on this account option, which is top right corner, and you can see that your Facebook page name and your Facebook normal Facebook ID name. You have to click on your Facebook page name. Okay, then it will be uh, switch to your Facebook page from your Facebook ID or your normal Facebook account. Then you have to click on this Facebook page name, which is top left corner. Now you have to click on about, then scroll down and you'll find here add your address. Click on this and you can add your address here. Okay, now you have to click on save. After click on save, your account, your address will be saved like this. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.